1. The moving finger writes, and having writ, moves on. 2. Tomorrow. Why, tomorrow I may be myself with yesterday's 7,000 years. 3. Today is thine to spend, but not tomorrow, counting on morrow's breath bankrupt sorrow. O squander not this breath that heaven hath lent thee, make not too sure another breath to borrow. 4. Algebras are geometric facts which are proved. 5. Into this universe, and why not knowing nor whence, like water willy-nilly flowing, and out of it, as wind along the wate, I know not whither, willy-nilly blowing. 6. The entire world shall be populous with that action which saves one soul from despair. 7. Come, fill the cup, and in the fire of spring the winter garment of repentance fling, the bird of time has but a little way to fly and lo, the bird is on the wing. 8. The great that can with logic absolute the 270 jarring sects confute, the sovereign alchemist that in a trice life's leaden metal into gold transmute. 9. Myself when young did eagerly frequent doctor and saint, and heard great argument about it and about, but evermore came out by the same door as in I went. 10. Wake. For the sun, who scatters into flight the stars before him from the field of night, drives night along with them from heaven, and strikes the sultan's turret with a shaft of light. 11. Here's to the man who owns the land that bears the grapes that makes the wine that tastes as good as this does. 12. You know, my friends, with what a brave carouse I made a second marriage in my house, favored old Baron Reason from my bed, and took the daughter of the vine to spouse. 13. Indeed the idols I have loved so long, have done my credit in this world much wrong, have drowned my glory in a shallow cup, and sold my reputation for a song. 14. Dust into dust, and under dust to lie, sans wine, sans song, sans singer, and sans end. 15. The flower that once has blown forever dies. 16. The revelations of devout and learned who rose before us, and as prophets burned, are all but stories, which, awoke from sleep they told their comrades, and to sleep returned. 17. The unbeliever knows his Quran best. 18. He who has one enemy shall meet him everywhere. 19. Heaven but the vision of fulfilled desire, and hell the shadow from a soul on fire. 20. To friends and eke to foes true kindness show, no kindly heart unkindly deeds will do, harshness will alienate a bosom friend, and kindness reconcile a deadly foe. 21. And this I know, whether the one true light kindle to love, or wrath consume me quite, one flash of it within the tavern caught better than in the temple lost outright. 22. Think, in this battered caravanserai whose portals are alternate night and day, how sultan after sultan with his pomp abode his destined hour and went his way. 23. Ah love! Could you and I with him conspire to grasp this sorry scheme of things entire, would we not shatter it to bits and then remold it nearer to the heart's desire? 24. Fools, your reward is neither here nor there. 25. I can't reveal the mystery to either saint or sinner, I can't state at length what I've said curtly, I achieve an altered state that I can't explain, I have a secret that I cannot share. 26. I hide my distress, just like the blessed birds hide themselves when they are preparing to die. Wine. Wine, roses, music and your indifference to my sadness, my loved one. 27. Awake, my little ones, and fill the cup before life's liquor in its cup be dry. 28. In monasteries, seminaries, retreats and synagogues, they fear hell and seek paradise. Those who know the mysteries of God never let that seed be planted in their souls. 29. For in and out, above, about, below, nothing but a magic shadow show, played in a box whose candle is the sun, round which we phantom figures come and go. 30. But helpless pieces of the game he plays upon this checkerboard of nights and days, hither and thither moves, and checks, and slays, and one by one back in the closet lays. 31. Drink. For you know not when you came, nor why, drink. For you know not why you go, nor where. 32. I hide my grief, just like the blessed birds hide themselves when they are preparing to die, my love. 33. We are in truth but pieces on this chess board of life, which in the end we leave, only to drop one by one into the grave of nothingness. 34. Living life tomorrow's fate, though thou be wise, thou canst not tell nor yet surmise, pass, therefore, not today in vain, for it will never come again. 35. The thoughtful soul to solitude retires. 36. The secret must be kept from all non-people. The mystery must be hidden from all idiots. 37. This body is a tent which for a space does the pure soul with kingly presence grace. When he departs, comes the tent pitcher, death, strikes it, and moves to a new halting place. 38. Justice is the soul of the universe. 39. Dead yesterdays and unborn tomorrows, why fret about it, if today be sweet? 40. Oh, my beloved! Fill the cup, that clears today of past regrets and future fears.